Okay, next we have the On-Site Wastewater Treatment Facility Addendum. What this document is used for is any time in the state of Arizona when a property is not connected to the city sewer system, it would have an alternative system on site. And normally a septic system is what is used, and this form covers the transfer and any repairs, anything that's going to be part of the transfer process is all covered on this form. So here you'll have where the seller needs to have it inspected within 6 months of closing. If there's any repair cost, it defaults to 1%, or you can put assign a dollar amount to it. And then of course the transfer filing fee, that is going to be either buyer or seller or split between the two. If there's any additional terms, those would go here, and then it's just signed off on. So that is the On-Site Wastewater Treatment Facility Addendum.